Here you can see the assembly line for the new Q6 e-tron drive in Győr. The line was built not by an external third-party company, but in collaboration with Audi's in-house tool-making department. This gives us a fresh perspective through which we can examine various aspects and also address them anew. You can see this, for example, in the way that automation is implemented in the form of robots at every stage of the assembly line. This helps us to avoid a patchwork of different technologies.
Audi Hungary is the biggest drive factory in the world today. Every year we manufacture around 1.7 million drives, around 100,000 of which are electric drives. The latest generation of e-drives are the premium platform electric drives, which represent a new milestone for us on the road toward electrification. The Q6 e-tron is our next major step.
In the period from 2022 to 2023, Audi Hungary trained up around 2,000 employees as part of the e-mobility transformation process. The challenge we faced with the PPE was that we had to build expertise in different and, for Audi Hungary, new areas of competence. For the first time in the history of Audi Hungary, we're manufacturing the components for complete transmission systems.
These innovations and new trends are giving rise to new job profiles in drive production, such as specialist engineers for gearing technology, thermal treatment and laser welding. Sustainability is essential when it comes to logistics too. We use green trains to deliver our PPE drives to Ingolstadt, where they are then installed in the Audi Q6 e-tron. To embody the spirit of sustainability and transformation, we use the existing infrastructure. We have already taken over more than 17,000 square meters of space, originally designated for ICE vehicles.
And this is how we created an assembly line with more than 80 automatic and semi-automatic stations and a little over 100 jobs. Built by Audi for Audi.